come to the Cabo Blanco National Park, and there's some couple huge freaking birds over there. I think they are turkeys or something like that. I don't know, can you see them? But they're like wild, freaking huge, wild birds. Damn. The guy who lives next to me in the cabin, he has been here multiple times, and last time he saw a big cat here. Costa Rica has like 5 different kind of wild cats. Obviously we are here to find the jaguar and eat its heart for the ultimate power. But last time he was here, he actually saw like the 3rd biggest cat. I think the jaguar is the biggest. Then there is a puma or mountain lion. I think they're kind of the same. And then there's like smaller versions of the jaguar, kind of, that they look like the jaguar, but they're a bit smaller. And he saw one last time he was here. And he was like, keep your eyes open. You can run into anything there. So obviously, Mr. Base Science is looking for the jaguar heart and the monkey brains. But we take everything we can get. Just shh. Don't let Costa Rican government know anything about this. So I think here's the entrance. Here's the Swedish couple who made this place happen. There you go. And actually, like I showed in the Montezuma video, they also made the little national park in Montezuma. Nicholas Westberg from Sweden and his Danish wife. Some hippies who came here. Scandinavians want to save the world. A usual Scandinavian trait. Here's the biodiversity of here. 249 different plant species. There's kind of a bit of species over here. So maybe we can see some. But yeah, like I said, this is the oldest Costa Rican national park. And the Swedish guy, Scandinavians, who wanna save the world, but get killed for it, because this guy, Niels, he was trying to do good, and he actually got killed here in Costa Rica in the 70s or in the 60s, because he was making these national parks here, and some people didn't like it that much. The money masters got them, because the money masters, they want the resources. And we Scandinavians, we just wanna freaking live with nature in symbiosis. Beneficial for both. Maybe a little more beneficial for humans though, let's be real. But yeah, this national park is pretty cool, because we got freaking sea over here. We got sea, we got beaches, we got all kinds of animals. It's made by a Scandinavian. Mr. Base Science excited about this one. So let's go. I'm hungry for some monkey brains. Or jaguar hearts. Whichever one we can get. Or maybe we can get a mukbang of both. Two kilometers. It's pretty chill hike. But the humidity, boy. I'm sweating like a motherfucker over here. Also the terrain is just so cool. This is like the most jungle I have ever been. And I'm probably here all alone. I didn't see anybody coming here. And I was at the first peak of a dawn here. So I got this jungle all by myself. This is what you gotta do to get away from the 5Gs. No native EMFs. The jungle will protect you. Hey, look at this place. Wow. And then I'm really looking forward to that beach. That's gonna be refreshing. But until then, keep going, dog. There's those big birds again. I don't know what they're called. They look like peasants. There they are. Can you see them? It's like three big birds. Oh my God! Whew. Oh yes! Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh, those are bamboos. It's the beach! We survived! The beach! Yes! Oh God! Oh, those bamboos look pretty neat. I don't know if they're native here. Oh yes! Our very own beach! Playa, whatever it is. So it's about 5 kilometers walk through the freaking jungle, as you could see, to this beach. The breeze. I was sweating. Which ain't a bad thing. Look at these bamboos. But there's those big, huge. Our very own private beach. Are those pelicans? Oh. Wow. Not that bad. Not a bad beach, huh? Woo! Now we gotta walk back, huh? We made it, but we did not find what we were looking for. So the adventure must continue. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Pretty good hike, huh? It's about 10 kilometers, 11 kilometers to go to the beach and back here. So my legs, they're feeling it. My sweat glands, they empty. We need something to hydrate ourselves. Even though I still feel kind of hydrated. It's incredible how hydrated you feel in the tropics. Oh yeah. It's about 5 hours to go that it took me, but I was taking pictures and I was chilling at the beach for 30 minutes. You can do it in 4 hours. Now if you don't like hiking, you don't wanna stress yourself, or you're just not well enough to do these kind of things, because it is a moderate hike and it is a lot of ups and downs, and you definitely need some of that good oil on your kneecaps to do that hike. But there's a cool freaking blue butterfly. That was huge butterfly. So yeah, if you're just not well enough, then save it for the next life. You have to pay for some of these national parks here in Costa Rica. This one cost me about $12. Now you can argue, is it good that you have to pay to go enjoy nature? Or maybe it is good because it allows the country Costa Rica to reserve these places, but you can make that decision on your own. Here's a huge freaking humongous tree. I saw some of the biggest trees I have ever seen there. So if you like trees, this is a place for you, because they got all kinds and they got a lot of them. But yeah, you have to decide, do you want to pay $12 to go hike in the jungle and see a really isolated beach? For me, it was worth it. But I like big butts. Yeah. So that's that. There's actually one huge bird again. Oh, that's a freaking eagle or something. Wow. I did see my... Oh, can we film this eagle? It's those harpoons. But anyway, I saw a bunch of monkeys, but they could freaking smell me. And I could smell their fear, because they knew what I was coming for. And I saw a bunch of birds. This one. This camera cannot really show things far away, so I hope you could see that. So yeah, a bunch of birds, butterflies, trees, a beach, a lot of hiking, a lot of sweating my ass off. That's pretty cool. Now I'm freaking hungry, so I gotta do that. See you at the next one.